What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this tutorial video how to buy Hexydog, this new pet-friendly meme coin and utility coin that is about to come out. I have just discovered it. It is already running since quite some time and I'm gonna show you how to invest into this new coin during the pre-market phase and of course also talk about the project itself. This could be of course a new Doge type of meme coin that will come out during this bull run, guys. Now that the Bitcoin bull run is back and of course I'm expecting also a huge altcoin season, I am investing into new low market cap coins because like that of course we have great upside potential. Remember guys that I'm not a financial advisor. This is all no financial advice. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing everything that I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm trading here in the crypto space. I'm just showing my own opinions and also my own ideas about the next upcoming crypto bull run, the parabolic bull run phase in my opinion, and what I am buying up and watching out of course right now. And Hexydog is a new coin that I want to invest in and I'm gonna show you how to do that if you want to be following me. And of course also thank you very much for your great support as always, guys. As you can see, we are hitting almost 1,300 subscribers, so thank you very much for your great support. And yes, we still have that $100 giveaway running worth of meme coins. We're gonna do that of course as soon as I have time to do that video. And of course we have always such giveaways running here in this channel, so make sure to be subscribed here on my channel and of course follow me over on X, TikTok, Telegram, Instagram and so on. I am everywhere active here, of course posting all the newest updates on different new coins and trading setups for Bitcoin and of course also for meme coins such as this one over here, Hexydog. So Hexydog is a very new pet powered basically meme coin and also utility coin at the same time. And the good thing about Hexydog is that this is a multi-chain crypto project building a decentralized marketplace focused on the global pet care economy. So this is the first of its kind. We never had something like that before, and at the same time we also have this narrative of Doge or dog themed meme coin within this coin, and this makes me very bullish about this coin. If you want to get access to the official website, guys, the link is right here at the top in the video description. Hexydog meme coin. Go to this link to end up here on the official website of the project, and the platform enables users to purchase products, access services and support animal charities using cryptocurrencies in the future. So this is something completely new that we never have seen before, and this is also powered by HexyPay. The system is being developed to support transaction across Ethereum, BNB, the BNB chain, Solana, and also additional integrations for Polygon, Tron and Base are in project here or in progress here as well. That means that here we have a multi-chain ecosystem that is built up here basically for pets. And if you're bullish for pets or animal themed meme coins, then I think that Hexydog could be one to watch out right now in my opinion, guys. So watch out for Hexydog. And also the Hexy token will serve as the core utility asset within the ecosystem. So the coin is not just a meme coin, but also it's gonna be a utility coin. And within the ecosystem, this one also will be supporting payments, future staking features and also platform rewards as well. The project is led by a fully KYC verified team behind it and also has gained early traction due to its early and clear roadmap, strong community growth and also practical use case. So the pre-market price at the beginning was of course cheaper. I think it was something like 0.0021 US dollar, and now it's at 0.0033 US dollar per Hexy coin, which I think it's still okay. And that's why I'm just going to demonstrate you how to invest into this coin here as well by just connecting your wallet here. And with plans of top-tier exchanges, listings and a future Binance Launchpad application as well, Hexydog is of course positioning itself as a high credibility pre-market project for this year of 2025, because I think that we are just entering right now into the final stage of this bull cycle for Bitcoin, and that means that during this time we often, or at least in the past, we always have seen the most parabolic phase. Of course, no promises, guys. Everything can happen. It's everything high risk here in the crypto space, especially when we're starting to get so overheated in the crypto space. Things can go very quickly to the upside and to the downside as well, but time wise, normally this is the best time, of course, to be invested also into new coins, not just the top tier coins that are already out, like Doge, like Pepe with high market cap, but also be invested into low market cap coins. At least this is my opinion, and this is how I'm playing basically this bull market phase right now, next to my crypto hodl portfolio that I have anyways. And Hexydog is also widely regarded as one of the most promising early stage tokens of the year based on its structure, utility, and also real world relevance. And that's why I am buying now into this coin, and I'm just gonna show you how to do that, guys. So if you still need some cryptos, because you need that in order to buy it during the pre-market phase, so then claim it into your wallet once this one is launching, because if you're buying right now, the coins will be locked here, and once they're going live, of course, I will update you. Then we can claim the tokens and trade it on DEXs or regular exchanges, or of course use here the platform itself as well. So if you want to get on board, then use the link in the video description to end up on the official website. You can also subscribe to their X account. I link it here in the video description as well. They have a growing community, almost 8,000 subscribers here, and also you can see that there is different updates and pictures and news, so they're very active here. Also their community is growing, and also you can see that they got the audit by solid proof, so everything is fine here. As you can see, they got almost excellent reviews, yeah, this is kind of a real detection system if it could be a rug pull or a scam or anything like that, but for now everything is perfectly fine, everything is on green, and the project is legit and fully KYC'd and everything based on solid proof here. That means that most likely, or at least we can expect that the coin at least will come out, and then once it is launching, we're gonna see what happens. I anyway keep you updated on Hexydog as well, guys, and if you want to purchase it, just click the link in the video description, and then you have to connect your wallet. You just click here, connect wallet. More than 450 different type of wallets are supported, also Phantom, Soulflare, Brave Wallet, MetaMask, and so on. If you're using MetaMask with me or like me, then just click MetaMask and then connect to the wallet, and then you can see that your wallet here is integrated into the dashboard. That means that we can now buy, for example, with Ethereum or with BNB chain or even Solana and so on. It is a multi-chain, more chains will be added soon, and you can see the goal that they have to reach 2.1 millions, and here this is what they did already, 500,000. So I'm gonna show you how to buy into those Hexydog coins here. And for example, you can also use BNB. Staking is not yet possible, but in the future it should be also possible to stake it. You can also check out here the white paper, of course, their blog, tokenomics, everything. Most of it is preserved for the pre-market phase and also staking rewards in the future. So that's why here you can see that most of it is coming out as staking rewards or pre-market phase. Some of it is reserved for marketing, partnerships, liquidity, and so on. So you can see that most of it is distributed during now the pre-market phase and also staking rewards. So you can read everything about the project here in the white paper. They're completely transparent, so you can check out everything, also the roadmap and so on. But now, in order to invest into the coin before the launch, because the launch price should be of course much higher in theory, so we will see, but this is how it goes normally. If you want to invest into this one, you connect the wallet and then select here the chain first of all, and then the coin, of course, that you would like to use. You can also use your credit card. Of course, it goes through MoonPay or ChangeNow if you're buying with card, but normally it is, of course, easier to buy with cryptos because then it's easier, and also to claim the coins, it's much easier than at launch. And you can use, for example, BNB and the BNB coin. And I can buy, for example, for this amount. Let's buy, for example, exactly like 10,000 coins. Can I do that? No, let's do like this. Maybe I'm gonna pay some transaction fees. And let me see. Yeah, let's do like that. So I buy around 10,000 coins, for example. Then you select here the amount that you would like to invest, and you click here Buy Hexy Coins. And then you see your wallet will appear here, the transaction overview. Basically, it's asking me if I want to do the transaction to buy those Hexy coins, and I say yes, confirm. And then we have to wait until here the transaction is done. And you can of course also add more from time to time. So for example, if you want to buy a bit more, you just buy more with BNB or with Ethereum and so on. And then you see here the confirmation that you just bought the coins, and the coins will be locked here, of course. So here, this is the amount that you can see that you have purchased until now. And you can of course keep accumulating if you want. And this is how it works. And later on, once staking is enabled, then of course we can also stake the coins and earn more and so on. But for now, we can just buy it directly. And they also partnered up with different crypto websites. They're also featured in the different crypto websites as well. So definitely a project that you should not ignore. I'm gonna keep you updated on this project as well, guys. Let me know if you like those type of new Doge themed meme coins and also utility coins, because we are seeing a big trend with those meme coins to be more also a utility more than a meme at the end. Because if the coin has utility, of course, the long-term growth potential is of course bigger than just a meme that maybe today is hyped and tomorrow not anymore, and then it's crashing down to zero. So we will see what happens. Hexydog is live, guys, during the pre-market phase, and once this one is coming out, hopefully during this bull run, we're gonna of course see what this coin or how this coin will perform. Until then, we can keep buying it, and I keep you updated also once more features and so on are live. And of course, make sure to be also signing up to their X account and so on. They're completely KYC certified, and also they have this solid proof audit here done. So that's it for now, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed to keep you updated on Hexydog as well. Link in the video description. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye.